What if I was to tell you you could use your OM-D camera as a webcam for your online streaming and video calls? Hello, my name's Lewis from Olympus UK. I'm going to be showing you how to do just that. All you need is your OM-D camera and your USB cable. All you need is a supported computer and a supported camera to get yourself going. So all you need to do is plug your camera in via USB into your computer. Scroll down to the USB tether icon, then put it in video mode on the top dial, and then pop it in continuous autofocus using the super control panel on the back. Now, as long as your manual focus ring is pulled forward, if you have a camera that does that, you should be good to go. Just click the link in the description to download the software, and then I'm going to jump into computer now and show you how to get it set up for the software that you're going to use, whether it be video calls or online streaming. Once you have the setup file here, all we do to install it is double click and follow through the installation procedure. Once it is installed, it will disappear and it will appear that nothing has changed. On OBS, all you need to do is go to the sources window at the very bottom, press plus, and then go to video capture device. I'm going to name this one OM-D. Once you press OK, you are left with the integrated camera, and then if you go to devices, you can change that to OM-D Webcam Beta, and you will see it after a second or two. The camera will wake up and you are left with the full resolution. If you press OK, you notice that the video is at the top left of the video, so just right click and go to transform and fit to screen, and that's it. You're now ready to hit the stream button or start recording, and you are good to go. So what I'm now going to do is show you how to do this on Zoom for video calls. So once you have Zoom open and you are in a meeting, on the bottom left here you've got a little arrow that will allow you to select your devices. Now naturally it will be on integrated camera, but if you hit OM-D Webcam Beta and then start video, you will see, just like with OBS, after a second or two it'll kick in and away you go. It's a little bit more complicated with Teams. All you have to do is open it, hit your little icon at the top right there, maybe a profile picture, and if you then go to settings, you'll then have a window there called devices, and you can choose your camera there where it says OM-D Webcam, scroll down, and it would normally be on integrated camera, but again, if you just make sure that it says OM-D Webcam Beta, it will kick in, and that will be the camera that everybody sees when you go on to a conference call. One thing to bear in mind is that the audio is not taken from the camera, which is good because it means if your camera is further away, the audio will either be taken from your internal microphone on your laptop, as it would with a normal webcam, or you could use a USB microphone such as the Olympus LSP4 plugged into the USB to get that crisp audio quality to match your video. There you have it. Nice and easy to set up, easy to install, and it's totally free. I hope this has been useful for you. Thank you for learning with Olympus, and hope to see you on the next one.